Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use Pagefly to improve your store's conversion. First, all you need to do is head over to the Shopify website and log in. When you come down to your apps, click on Pagefly, and from here, select Analytics. Now, I do not have Pagefly set up on my website yet, so I don't have any access to the analytics. However, when you do have access to the analytics, you'll see there is a section for conversion rate. As you can see here, it shows the percentage of sessions where visitors click on a trackable element from the page, meaning, for example, if they select different products, or if they add something to a cart, etc., it will show you all of the interactions a user had with your website on the analytics page. Using this will also show you which elements on the page leads to the most conversions, the effectiveness of the sales funnel, and also your marketing effectiveness. The marketing effectiveness is probably the most important one out of all of these, as this will show you how well your marketing does. Depending on how well your marketing does, you can then decide on whether you should switch up your strategy, and you can also compare different strategies and see how well each one does against the other. We have a video on this in regards to the marketing section here on Shopify, so I definitely recommend it you check that out, as it will give you a good idea of how you can increase your store's performance. And that's basically it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.